So, hi sir, ito yung code ko for my assignment this Monday. So, start ko muna yung program while I explain. So, gumawa ko ng 5 variable, which is yung count, time left, is running, results, and yung variable na job. Yung variable na job is, nakita ko lang siya sa tutorial and did some research. So, starting sa count, we set to 0 para while we press start, it will start in 0, and if mag-click ako, it will add 1 every click. So, bale, next is time left 30. Ito, nag-reflect siya dito, 30 seconds kasi start siya, 30 seconds, and it count down 1 by 1. So, next is yung running. Next is yung result, which is 0, which is makikita nyo after matapos yung code, lalabas yung result of how many clicks did I accumulate within 30 seconds. So, start is time left, which is text lang naman, and yung seconds, which is here. From starting, so kung may makita kayong coroutine scope, so based sa nakita ko is, and did some research, is parang a code siya within a code. That's why may nakalagay na launch. If mag-run na to, ila-launch niya to, ito dito, itong code na to, which is times 30, which is 30 seconds. And delay is, yun yung ima-minus niya na kung makita nyo itong 1,000, ito ay milliseconds. So, bale, 1,000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second. And time left minus minus. So, imbis na padagdag, pabawas siya dahil dito sa minus minus na dito. Then, ang results na makukuha dito is equals to count kasi masisave siya dito sa results. Next is yung button which is yung start and button on click. Ito, pag pinindot ko kasi yung start, let's say, start, and if click, agad siya ng 1, kaya count plus plus. Count plus plus lang siya ng plus, and count is equals to results, which is after matapos yung 30 seconds. Wait, patapusin muna natin. After 30 seconds, lalabas dito yung results. Ito yung code for the results. Piprint niya lang yung results. Ito, 56 click. Then, we have reset button here. Yung button na yon, after natin maklik, it will reset the count to 0 and back yung time left into 30, and yung results, ibabalik niya rin sa 0. So, ang enabled is gagana na to if tapos na yung 30 seconds. So, yun lang sir. Thank you po. Di ko pala napakita sir yung reset button na nag-function. So, eto siya sir. Diba may 56 seconds dito. And if I click reset, yun. Balik siya 30 seconds, 0. Then nawala yung dito yung results niya. Yun lang ulit sir. Thank you.